In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online. If you manage multiple stores, regions, or departments, location tracking helps you see where your money is coming from and where it's going. Think of locations as a high-level tag you can apply to sales, expenses, and transfers so your books stay organized and your reports are more meaningful. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and landing on your dashboard. In the top right, click the gear icon for settings. From there, open Account and Settings. This is where you control company-wide features that affect how your transactions look and what options appear on forms. In Account and Settings, go to the Advanced tab. Find the Categories section and click the pencil icon to edit. Turn on Track Locations. When you enable it, QuickBooks will add a location field to your forms and transactions. You can also choose how you want locations to be labeled, such as by store, property, or territory. Pick the wording that makes the most sense for your business. Save your changes. A quick note, only users with the right permissions can update these settings, so if you don't see the toggle, check with your admin. Now that locations are turned on, let's apply one to a bank transaction. Head to Banking, sometimes called Bank Transactions, from the left menu. Select the account you're working in, then choose the transaction you want to review. Open its details so you can see all the fields. You should now see a location field. Click it and select the correct location from the drop-down. If you've already set up locations, they'll appear here. Choose the one that matches where the money was earned or spent. Keep your choices consistent. Use the same location for similar transactions so your reports stay accurate. While you're here, make sure your category, vendor, or customer and memo are also correct, then save or add the transaction as usual. If the location field isn't visible, double-check that you saved your settings under Advanced and that you're looking at the full transaction detail view. That's it. With locations enabled and selected on each transaction, you'll be able to slice your data by place and get clearer insights. Later, when you run reports like profit and loss by location, you'll see the payoff. A final tip. Locations are different from classes. Locations are great for tracking by place or division, while classes can track product lines or types of work. Use the one that best fits your workflow, or use both if you need that extra level of detail. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to use locations in QuickBooks Online.